take a look at the card making kit. Card making kits will be available on the 5th, so not today, on the 5th you'll be able to get your card making kits. So in each card making kit for $27 you get some of our rhinestones, you get a whole packet of card and envelopes, some ribbon, a packet of creative cuts, 1/4 of those card making cut apart sheets, of course the card and envelopes pack, and this opens up with 6 designs. You've got 10 cards that I'm going to show you right now. Tanya Ridgewell's made these and they are beautiful. I love all the cards with this collection actually. I think this collection really leads itself to card making. Really cute. So these are in there ready to get you going. So 6 ideas to get you making cards with the card making kit. Let's take a look at what is in the scrapbooking box and what's in the box. This will be available on the 5th of November as well. So let's take a look at what's in the box. Alrighty, so of course you've got the stickers. The stickers are in the box. You get a clear sparkle brush. So a clear sparkle brush comes in this box. So we are sold out of these because we had to hold them for the kit. So, and they won't be back in stock until at least January. But if you get a kit, you've got one in the kit. Those 2 washi tapes in the 15 and the 10 mil. These flowers, which are exclusive to the kit, we don't have any more of these. They're in the kit. Some of the cute little wooden Delft birds. Some beautiful iridescent pearls. That awesome graph, grungy graph stamp. Some of the lace, there is a yard of that, or 90 centimeters. There is this beautiful laser cut. You have got the muslin, the creative cuts, the magazine, which of course has all of the card ideas at the back and all of the scrapbooking ideas at the front as well. So you've got your magazine, you've got some super shiny glitter cardstock, you've got the regular cut apart sheet and the watercolor cut apart sheet, 2 sheets of our really heavy 360 GSM watercolor cardstock, and the paper pack. Wow, I'm running out of breath. I've been talking too long. Let me just show you some of the gorgeous cards the DT have made with this kit. I love this card, and I'm sorry, it's been a minute, so I don't know who's made each of these. And the tags, they're so cute. And then we've got all the layouts. These all will be shared in our social media, so we'll definitely tag everyone in there. I love that cat. So cute. Beautiful. And here's one of the boy ones. Look at these cute little boys. Oh, I think it's the same little boy actually. Very cute. A wedding one, of course. Another boy one. And that is that the grungy graph stamp included in the kit. Another little cute one. I love the blue Pantone and just all the blue with that little pop of gold in all of these layouts. Super cute face painting one. That's a great idea. I've got some cute face painting photos. So that's it. That is the last of the things I'm going to show you. The 2 kits will be up on the 5th at 10:30 South Australian time. We don't have many kits. We've got the same amount of kits as usual. Next month we are going to be able to make a few more kits because we finally can, because it takes us months to catch up. But kits are limited. Get on there quickly if you want one of these kits, or subscribe, because then you are guaranteed to get a kit every single month. Thank you to all of our subscribers, to all of our customers. We appreciate you. Thank you so much for keeping all of my girls in a job. We really appreciate it. Till next time, guys. Thanks for watching.